What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to share with you my results so far selling print-on-demand necklaces through Facebook. So, welcome back to Stacking Profit. My name's Paddy, and over here we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. Now, if you've been following me for any length of time, you know I always like trying new things. One thing I'm doing at the minute is still print on demand, but it's print on demand necklaces, and I'm going to show you that in a second. I'm also trying to sell these necklaces, not with organic traffic, but paid traffic by running Facebook ads. Now, I'm getting okay results. It's been an absolute nightmare, and I'm going to explain why in just a second. But first of all, print on demand. What is this? Well, it's exactly what it says in the title, print on demand. So we can create designs, put them on a product, and that product doesn't even exist, but as soon as someone purchases it, the company you're using will print that, ship it, and just send you commissions. So that is print on demand, and there's a lot of different platforms out there. Now with me, I'm choosing Shine-On and Gear Bubble. At the minute I'm using Shine-On just because I really like these necklaces. So with the necklaces, we can do like these little message boards. So this would be the necklace, and then you create this design around here. So you create this design, upload it, then send traffic, and if someone purchases, they're going to print everything for you, ship it to your customer, and just send you your earnings. So really simple to understand. Now, most people think of print on demand. There's a few different types, like Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, Teespring. So that's platforms you can upload your designs and get organic sales. This one isn't. So Shine-On, you can hook up to your Shopify store. Disclaimer, you don't actually need a Shopify store. You can just upload your product and then send traffic directly to that. So this is what I've been doing. I've been creating designs, uploading them onto products like this, and then trying to sell it in the Facebook news feed. So if we go here, we're on today. Let's go to, was it yesterday or the day before? I think it was the day before. So let's go to all time. All time, we can see that I've sold 2, and then someone actually brought 2 units in just one order, but it's giving me $100 profit. Now it says $100 profit here, but then obviously I'm running ads as well, so my profit isn't $100, but my revenue is $149.95. Now these types of necklaces are really simple to create, especially if you do low and no content books, because you can take your skills from what you've learned from that business and put it into this business. So this is one of the designs that I created. Really simple. And do you think you could create something similar? Now what we're doing with these necklaces, or necklaces, mugs, things like that, what I'm doing is selling them as gifts. So again, it's exactly the same concept that I use within my low content books, but I'm putting those skills all into print on demand and print on demand necklaces. So this would be for a dad. No, this would be to a daughter from dad. So it's the perfect Christmas gift. And then you find a really mushy quote, create a nice design as we can see here, and then try and sell that through Facebook ads. Now, if you would like, I will start making more videos about this as I get better results. I haven't done this in a few weeks because my ads account kept getting suspended, which I'm going to show you in a second and get more to that as well. But something like this is really simple to do. You got dad, mums, daughters, sons, granddads, nans. There's so many of these different there's so many of these different ideas that you can run with and start putting onto little designs like this. and then start selling through Facebook ads. Now I'm showing you this design because this one flopped. I ran some ads, didn't get any sales or whatever, so I just thought I'd share this design just to show you how simple it is. Now if we go over to my ads account, just here I only have a couple of ads running. I am going to blur this out. This one is just an engagement ad for my page, just to get a little bit of engagement on there so it doesn't look dead. And then this is the ad that I'm running at the minute. So if we click on here, we can see I have a few scheduled because I killed some other ads within this campaign, and I've duplicated the ads into age frames just to see how that goes. Now remember, I am fairly new to running ads. I've already run ads in the past loads of different times on different things, and I've always wanted to get into print on demand properly, and as Q4 is literally just round the corner, a couple of days away, I want to start doing this to see what the results are that I can get. Now I'm only doing this because I have the ad spend and I really enjoy designing these types of things. So the more fun you have with something, the better chance you have of actually sticking that. So let's have a look at these. Let's scroll across. So we can see here my link clicks on this campaign, this ad set. I had 6, costing me $2.97, 6 content views, 2 adds to carts, 1 purchase, which cost me around $17.84 to actually get that purchase at the minute. And if we go here, we can see, okay, so I'm on the wrong one, so let's just go down to here, change that to print on demand. There we go. My purchase conversion value is actually higher than that because this person ordered 2, but we can see how this campaign's running. So these ones are going to go live later today, and we're going to see how it goes. See, running ads, paid traffic, is a lot harder than trying to rely on organic sales from all these different types of print on demand platforms, because it's interruption marketing. So someone's scrolling through Facebook, doesn't really want to buy anything, they're there just looking around, then all of a sudden your ad's there trying to sell them a coffee mug, a necklace or something like that. You've really got to interrupt them and pull an emotion out of them for them to actually purchase. So doing print on demand or Shopify or anything like that is quite hard, and you really have to understand interruption marketing. But this is what I've been doing. So I've been doing it for probably around a month. I stopped for a few weeks because my ads account just kept getting disabled. Real pain in the arse, but it's really easy to get it back because I wasn't violating any policies. I was doing everything by the books, but they still shut me down. Main reason being because it's pretty much a brand new ads account. Now if we go here, we can see all the times that I've had my ads account closed. It actually happened yesterday as well, but I was able to get it back within a matter of minutes, as we can see. So that's one time it got closed there, another time here, another time there. It just kept happening over and over again, and I expect it to happen even more. Facebook bots at the minute are just being ridiculous and closing accounts down for some really stupid reasons or no reasons at all. So yeah, this is what I'm currently doing with print on demand, making designs for mums, dads, daughters, sons that make perfect gift ideas, and then I'm uploading them to places like Gearbubble or Shine On, and then I'm sending my own traffic through Facebook ads to try and make sales. So as I do more and more of this, now I've got my ads account back again, but as I do more and more and I get better results, I will be sharing it here on the channel. So if you're excited about this, drop a comment down below saying excited. Because if you already do low content books, then you can use those skills that you learn about designing covers and then move them into a business like this and create designs like this as well that look really good but are super simple to create. So again, if you do have the skills, start trying something new. I've always wanted to do print on demand. Heck, I got into it years ago, probably around 2013 when Teespring first came out. They're actually the granddaddy of print on demand. But when that first came out, I was trying to do t-shirts, mugs, I was building up these huge fan pages and selling t-shirts that way. Didn't have much success, but it's something that's always drawn me in, print on demand, because we can create a product and we can sell a product without it ever actually being made. As soon as we make that sale, that product's then going to get made, sent to your customer, and you can receive commissions. So that's why I'm trying to do this. I absolutely love this type of business as well, because it's very, very passive. So with the ads, once you've been testing, because that's all that it comes down to, is creating new products and testing until you have the winner. And then once you have a winner, you scale that winner to make more sales. So it's really, really simple to understand. But you do need an ad budget, because it's like the 80-20 rule applies here as well. So 80% of your designs you're not going to be able to sell, where that 20%, if they're selling, can make you a hell of a lot of money. So again, this is what I'm doing. That's how I've created my first $100 with print on demand. That's not all profit. That's around about $20 profit, probably, something like that. But again, this is just what I'm doing, and as I get better results, I will share them here on the channel. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.